Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to tell you about your comprehensive guide to understanding hearing test. Hearing is a precious sense that enriches our lives, allowing us to connect with the world through sound. But what happens when hearing starts to falter? This is where audiograms come into play, serving as essential tools for understanding hearing health. In this podcast, we'll delve into the frequently asked questions surrounding audiograms, shedding light on what they are, how they work, and what you can expect during a hearing test. By the end of this podcast, you will have a clear understanding of the role audiograms play in diagnosing and managing hearing loss. Are audiogram tests painful? No. Audiogram tests are not painful. Instead, they are painless and non invasive procedures designed to measure your ability to hear sounds. During a hearing test, you will sit in a soundproof room or wear headphones and respond to various sounds. These tests aim to find the softest sound level you can detect across a range of frequencies. In essence, they create a visual representation of your hearing health, mapping how you perceive important sounds in your daily life. Can an audiogram show hearing loss? Absolutely. Audiograms are powerful tools for illustrating hearing loss. They provide a detailed graph that plots your hearing test results, offering a clear depiction of your hearing abilities in each year. By analyzing the audiogram, hearing care professionals can precisely pinpoint the type and degree of hearing loss you may be experiencing. How is an audiogram test done? An audiogram test typically involves the following steps. Headphones or earplugs. You will be provided with headphones or earplugs to wear. Sound responses. You will be exposed to a series of tones, sounds, or spoken words at different frequencies and volumes. Button or hand raise. When you hear a sound, you will press a button or raise your hand to signal your response. Recording. Your responses are recorded on an audiogram, creating a visual representation of your hearing thresholds. How do you diagnose hearing loss from an audiogram? Hearing care professionals analyze your audiogram to diagnose hearing loss. They examine the shape of the graph, identifying any shifts or irregularities that indicate hearing impairment. The type and degree of hearing loss are determined by the specific patterns present on the audiogram. How long does an audiogram take? The duration of an audiogram test can vary but typically lasts between 15 minutes to an hour, depending on the complexity of the assessment and the number of frequencies and volumes tested. Is an audiogram the same as a hearing test? Yes. An audiogram and a hearing test are essentially the same thing. An audiogram is the visual representation of the results obtained during a hearing test. The hearing test measures your auditory abilities, while the audiogram graphically presents these results for analysis. What are audiograms typically used for? Audiograms serve a range of crucial purposes, including diagnosing hearing loss. Audiograms help identify the type, degree, and nature of hearing loss. Treatment planning. They inform treatment options such as hearing aids or cochlear implants. Monitoring progress. Audiograms track changes in hearing abilities over time, guiding adjustments to treatment plans. Baseline hearing assessment. They establish a baseline for your hearing health, aiding in future assessments. What are normal audiogram results? Normal audiogram results depict the ability to hear sounds at 15 decibels or less across all frequencies. Any deviation from this pattern may indicate hearing impairment. What is a speech banana? A speech banana is a critical concept in audiology. It's a region on the audiogram graph where speech sounds typically fall. The shape resembles an upside down U, encompassing the frequencies and volumes associated with human speech. If your audiogram shows hearing loss within this region, it can significantly impact your ability to comprehend spoken language. Where can I find an audiogram test near me? Locating an audiogram test near you is typically a straightforward process. Hearing care professionals, including audiologists and otologists, offer these tests. A simple online search or consultation with your primary healthcare provider can guide you to the nearest hearing care specialist. Audiograms are invaluable tools in the realm of hearing health, offering insights into your auditory world. They are the gateway to understanding the type and degree of hearing loss you may be experiencing, paving the way for tailored treatment plans and improved quality of life. So, whether you're facing potential hearing issues or simply curious about your hearing abilities, audiograms are your trusted companions on the journey to auditory well being. For more information, visit our website, which is www.aanvihearing.com, or call us on 96 5839 5839.